So it's 7 in the morning and a heavy cloud covers the sunrise, but there is a beautiful, beautiful mist coming over the sea, no, the lake here. And we have about 50 to 60 geese just in front of me. A lot of common sandpipers, mallards. I think there are some teal ducks as well. It's quite hard to distinguish the females, at least for me. But yeah, the biggest surprise, as I hoped, the great egret is here. Oh, yes. It's running around in the reeds on the other side of the bay here, and hopefully it will come out and look for food in this small bay here, where there are very shallow water. So yeah, it's cool. Too dark to photograph yet, but amazing. The sound of the geese are just so empowering, and I think in just a couple of maybe a half an hour, the geese will fly off, and that sound will be really, really awesome. A very loud wing noise and a very loud callings. So yeah, it's gonna be really, really awesome. Now we just need to wait for the sun so we can start taking photos and recording. But yeah, really, really awesome. Super glad I came out here, and super glad I can freeze my ass off. No, but yeah, it's super nice. Let's have some coffee and just watch, enjoy the parade in front of us. So yeah. So what I do when laying blind, in order to be able to manually focus for video, I just take my thermos and put it under my lens. Wish I had a ground pod or something like that, just to elevate the camera from the ground a little bit. Makes it a little bit easier to focus, especially for video, and to maneuver the camera as well. But yeah, this works fine. So cheers. amazing. The lapwings just arrived and left again. No. Amazing. About 50 to 70 lapwings just arrived to this location. It's really truly amazing. I haven't photographed any lapwings this year, and hopefully today will be the day. Oh, amazing guys, amazing. Like, check this out. There are lapwings everywhere. It's insane. I think there are more than 50 now. Like, yeah, just insane. It's still a bit too foggy for getting some detailed photos, but man, I really love this. This is just awesome. I have a couple lapwings about 20 meters from me, also a common sandpiper somewhere. But yeah, hopefully they will come a little bit closer. Not too much, just a little bit. So I can get some details in the face. But yeah, really awesome. The sun is starting to shine through the mist now. So I think in about maybe half an hour or so, the mist will break up and we will get some light down here in the bay. Yeah, really awesome. A lot of activity, as you can hear. It's just insane. Yeah, man. I really like this. I really like this. So I forgot my power bank at home and my batteries are dead. And there are lapwings everywhere. It's just insane. They are very close. And I have no batteries on my cameras. Yeah. What to do? I try to always make sure I have my power bank and my charger in my camera or in my bag, especially so I can power up my main camera if needed. But unfortunately, of some reason, I don't have it in my bag. And the lapwings are getting closer and closer and closer. Yeah, it sucks. It sucks for sure, but what to do? Rookie mistake, but yeah, doesn't matter too much. It it just sucks since they're getting closer and closer. But yeah, I will stick around for a couple minutes, just enjoy the view and see if I can learn some behaviors of the lapwings as well. But yeah, it sucks. Rookie mistake, easily done. It used to be that I forgot my SD card, my memory card, at home in my memory reader, card reader, whatever. But now it's the batteries. Always the goddamn batteries. But what to do? Anyways, I will enjoy the view a little bit longer, then I will go home and eat some breakfast, drink some coffee, and feel sorry about myself. No, I won't. But anyways, so if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and do consider subscribing. I have a few videos coming up next. In the end of the month, I will go and photograph the white-tailed eagle once again, and hopefully there will be a video on that. I have a couple of reviews coming up. One about the Tragopan version 6 or V6 hide. Just need to try it out a couple of times before I just got it, and then I have a comparison, but comparison video as well. And the small bird season is around the corner, so I will make some videos about that as well. But anyways, hope you like this video, and talk to you later, and have a nice one.